Hello friends, subscription will not cost you anything but means a lot to me. So please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified about all my new uploads. Hello everyone, welcome to all new sessions of cooking. So this is something new I have introduced to my channel. So now today I am making masala oats. It is almost like Sunfeast masala oats or Saffola masala oats if you have eaten. So I'm really fond of masala oats, so that's the reason I'm sharing this recipe, and it will make your breakfast a little bit more tastier. So first you will have to add a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm taking a small onion and chopping it roughly. Then I'm adding a green chili, so a single green chili I have taken, and then with the help of a scissor I'm just chopping it. You will have to fine chop it. Then just saute these veggies until golden brown. Now I'm adding cumin seeds. You can add cumin seeds just after the oil, but I'm adding it later. Okay, I'm just zooming it so that you can have a clear view of what I'm cooking. So again you have to saute it. Now I'm adding oats. Here I have used Quaker oats, so approximately a cup full of oats I'm adding here, and then we will just give it a nice mix. You can add a bit more if you think it is less. Then here I have taken Maggi masala. This is very yummalicious, so it will just give a nice taste to your overall dish. So a single masala pouch I have taken and just have cut it and have added it to my oats. Then I'm adding 1 cup of water so that veggies and oats will be tender, and I can smell it is very nice. Just give it a stir. Add a pinch of turmeric. Then I'm adding this tomato sauce, which I have taken 2 tablespoons. You can also opt to add chopped tomatoes, but I have just directly added ketchup. That will just lessen my work, and also it will taste better with this. Then on a high flame, just let it cook and stir occasionally. Then just slow the flame and cover it. Now I'm adding salt. You can also add salt according to your taste. Now I'm adding a pinch of sugar, so this way my dish will taste like sweet and sour, which is a favorable taste for me. So I'm adding, so again it is optional, you can avoid adding sugar. Then just give it a nice mix. So now you can see like very less water. Stir it and cover it for 2 more minutes. And now once again we'll just stir it. Now here I am adding Spanish. You can add coriander as well, but I want my breakfast to be healthy, so I'm adding Spanish. So I'll just finely chop it and add it to my dish. Finally, here is my yummy masala oats ready. So please ignore if you find anything silly in this video, but this is my first cooking video and I hope you will like this, and just try it once and tell me in the comment section, and just keep watching and like this video. Thanks for watching.